Now the fan in this bathroom was added years ago, but it was a minuscule fan that just didn't have any pizzazz, which is why we went with a higher end, larger fan from Revent. This fan not only has a higher CFM, which means it has more airflow, but it also has an amazing Bluetooth speaker system where all you have to do is connect your Bluetooth to your phone and you can listen to music, play a podcast, or anything else you want to listen to. And I'll show you how easy it is to hook up to your phone later on in the video. But first, let's replace this old fan. I turn off the power to make sure that none of the electrical is running through it, then snip the wires, remove the screws from the side that's actually attached to the ceiling joist, and then quickly and easily remove the box. And my trick when cutting drywall, especially a small amount like this, is just using my multi-tool and using a vacuum to suck up any of the loose particles that is going to be caused from the cutting. However, this really does take care of the vast majority of the dust. At this time, I secure the damper to the ducting, and the ducting should be secured to the damper with a steel worm gear clamp. Now this just clamps down tightly onto the damper. We can now squeeze the new unit into the ceiling, but actually work its way to the side, then connect the damper to the fan and feed the electrical through the hole in the side of the housing. Now the other really slick thing about this unit is the fact that it has sheet lock technology, which means that it has these tabs that can fit perfectly on the inside and the outside of the drywall, which secures the unit very snugly within the drywall. Once you have all the electrical connected, you can then reinsert the electrical shield by just attaching the set screw, then plugging in the connector to the fan. But the nice thing about the system is that you actually have this perfect little trim ring which hides those tabs which are never seen again. Oh, and if you're wondering, that sheet lock technology is there for a reason, and you don't need screws for this application. At this point, all you have to do is plug in your Bluetooth speaker, which is quick and easy at this location, then install the cover and speaker housing, and away you go. After you have your switch hooked up correctly, go ahead and test it out, making sure that it connects to your Bluetooth, and if it does, you can play any music you so desire. And if you're interested in checking out this product, I'll make sure and leave a link in my bio. Thank you.